Damn, I already have to burp.
Since I failed, here goes Courtney again.
I like that bird. No, it's hard to do it when you... It's wet and, like, gross.
I told you.
It's hard to do it because I like to make it come and then...
That's what she said.
This is pretty fucking epic. I can't stop laughing. Wait, okay, ready?
Your fucking face.
Wait. Should I say Dr. Pepper?
Yeah.
I can't do that.
Come on, you can do it.
Hold on. Oh, it got stuck. Hold on. Damn it. Yeah.
You're just like crying.
Wait, okay, I just had to let that one out. I get trapped once in a while. What else can I say?
Christopher Walken. Alan Rickman.
No, okay.
I think you should fart Christopher Walken. That would be
If I could
awesome.
make my farts fucking
Oh my
stop.
god, that would be awesome.
Christopher Walken! Okay. Don't make faces or I can't do it. This is a fucking monster.
Obscene tongue twisters. That was almost drunk. Christopher Walken!
Yeah, I think we can get another good one. Okay, well I can keep going, but we should focus on you.